Hello YouTubers, GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair. Today we're bringing another video how to replace a battery on the remote for a 2004 Honda Accord. On the Accord, when you press the button, any button actually, is right here a little hole and a red light should turn on. So this is not doing anything. So let's replace that battery. Okay, so first thing is going to be right there. So screw, a bolt, it is a Phillips head, so I'm going to remove that really quick, so make sure you don't lose the bolt. It's right here. I'm going to put it there. I'm going to use your fingernails to open this, just be careful, and the center part is going to come off. So here you want to have a little bit of tab here and a tab here, so either way you can use the front or the back, it doesn't matter. So you can use your fingernail like I'm gonna use right here. Just be careful, so that way you don't break it, since that would age, it's become brittle. So here is your battery. So now here the battery is gonna pop off. Now the positive side of the battery, if you can see it here, it is facing down like this. Alright, so I got a new battery already. That's the number of this battery for this remote. Got it right here. So the same thing, the positive side is facing down. You're also gonna see a plus sign right there. So you gotta match those two. I'm gonna snap that. You heard it. Now let's put this thing back together. Snap right there. Press it, snap. Now let's test it. Oh, look at that. We got the red light. And let's test it. See if you can hear it. There you go. It's working. Now you put it in reverse order here. Make sure you press it. Don't over tight it. Now you can see the red light coming on, and that's how you do it. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, give it a thumbs up. That will really help the algorithm, so we can, people can see our videos and keep motivating us to make extra videos and taking the time to try to help somebody on who knows what part of the world. So again, like the video, subscribe to our channel, leave your comments, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.